The goal every day when I come in is to get a good understanding of what people are getting into this industry for. I think everybody has their own stories when it comes down to it. Just kind of get an understanding of where they're coming from to go and get them enrolled in class. I think that what makes Elite special is the students itself. It's all made for everybody. It's a very individualized schooling experience. Everybody pays attention to just you from the minute that you call in on the admissions end all the way to once you're graduating. So it's very personal. And I think that that's not something you can get at every school. Once you're already thinking about getting your CDL, I feel like it's a good time to just come in. They get to meet a lot of their instructors. They get to go and take a tour of the trucks themselves and get to sit into them. So it kind of helps them get a good idea of what it would end up being like. I recommend just bringing yourself by, getting the confidence to show up, and then we'll get everybody taken care of.